WheelLife cruising. First day in Malaga. Started with rain. Then the rain went down to drain. And then we started being insane. It's my freestyle. I haven't freestyled in a while. But I cannot rhyme anything with but that turns into disgusting like a bus in a nut. And that's what's up. As you could see out here, they do it tight with the windmills. We just pulled over to buy some tea, have a pee break. And right now we're driving in a diesel operated vehicle, combustion engine, Volkswagen. Germans. The Germans have been pretty decent with their hydro, aero and solar power production, but unfortunately their entire car industry still runs on combustion engines. They're making plans for 2022, 2023 to switch, but I think they're gonna lose, man. I think there's a couple of electric brands popping up quickly, and I think as a consumer, as soon as you consider that, let aside the environmental impact, but the price of solar electricity is now beating diesel. So what would you do? Get an electric vehicle. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy a Model X. I'm gonna spend the day behind the computer designing the adjustments I have to make. We already ordered some tea.
Yep.
Thanks. And then I'm gonna show you how they rip out the seat that Nicole right now is sitting on. That seat they're gonna rip out, so no more cheeking in the back, darling. And then I'll be able.
Kidding?
I'm not kidding.
It will be only 2 seats? No.
No, there's gonna be the seat behind me,
Okay.
and then all the way in the back there's gonna be another 2 seats.
Okay.
Because it has three rows of seats.
Okay.
Man, that's what's up. I'm gonna show you. Hopefully the guys who are gonna do the adjustments will make it tight, because all the stuff from Tesla is super tight. And I had a Renault before, a Kangoo, which was a dope car, and they made an automated trunk for me and a little lift to pull in the Segway and the. Oh, sorry. Cut.
That was so cute.
Okay.
Gigi,
What's up?
the place smells fucking amazing. There are just like open grills with a shit ton of meat on it. It's like super Spanish.
I live a vegan life, fool. Do not
Smell
want this.
this, smell it. Just inhale really deeply.
Smells like, yeah, that's why all these cars are parked out here.
Yeah,
no?
exactly.
Smells
They're
like
having
flesh.
the grillata.
Sorry for the interruption, guys.
Oh my god, I love this song.
People are excited about meat on the
Oh, are
grill
you recording?
all the time.
Is that why you pretended you're vegan?
No, I do not
Your fans
pretend.
don't hear the lies.
I try to be vegan.
Yo, he's not vegan. Chicken juices.
Snitches
Chicken
get
juices.
snitches get
Chicken
stitches.
juices.
Sir.
Chicken juice. Sorry.
I'm Iranian. If you turn vegan in Iranian culture, it's worse than being a gay porn star.
Well, no, chicken isn't meat.
Chicken is a poultry, okay. We've had this discussion.
In
but it's
Farsi, you have
not-
meat more mahi.
Meat mor mahi is, and you have kuft. My favorite dish is kuft. I'm continue this conversation when we have some privacy, okay?
Shout out to DJ Nicole! SO!
Significant other.
Look at all those buildings! What are you waiting for?
My autopilot is Monday. Check the view in a second. Oh, that's a pretty
Wow, beach.
view.
Wow.
Great outpost. Great view. I think. Omar, is that Morocco? Or is
Nee,
that?
dat is die zijn grote schepen.
No, but the land.
Ja, onder je chizzen die Marokko zit.
That's Morocco? That's
Ja, ja,
Africa.
ja.
So here you can see Africa. of souvenirs. Ooh, it's windy out there, man. It's cold. Look at this. This is very decent. I like it out here, Sar.
That's nice.
It's nice.
There's a horse down there.
There's a what?
Do you see it? The horse. There. You see it?
I don't know if I can see it.
There. Now you've got the horse.
Now we got the horse.
Now you've got the horse.
Now I feel accomplished in life. My mom just had a near collision because some douchebag added to the road when he wasn't at enough speed nor right of way. And Ed, who has operated shoulder, swinged his arm into the door and then he got hurt. So the old folks had a little bit of a scare, but it's okay.
Yeah, look, Jordan. It's with Jordan.
And then these two in the front decided to play the depression lane. I don't know why.
Jesus, sad.
If it would be me, it would be the crackpot music. You know that. Crackpot, cooking up crack in the crackpot. Crackpot, crackpot. This is the stranded cruise ship.
Centro commerciale.
It's a big ass mall.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Stay on the highway. Okay.
Thank you so much for your contribution to direction.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that's actually really beautiful.
Droppity drop drop. It's massive, right? But I think the mall is the colorful building, and then the one that looked like a cruise ship is just residential.
Yeah.
It's just apartments. Mercatona. It's where Madonna buys her Merca.
Oh, that's not a rainbow.
That's
couple.
definitely a rainbow, Sarah. But it's very,
Your standards are very, very, very low.
You can't judge the rainbow, Sarah. You were never allowed to know. Very light.
Narius is faking a rainbow.
So purple, green, blue, yellow, red. Really? I don't see
This is fake news.
You guys.
Fake news.
Are you guys blind or something?
Fake news. Faking a rainbow is direct ticket to hell, Narius.
I see it. You see it too. Look at there. What's wrong with you guys?
Keep your eyes on the road, one. Our brother Bob seems like the perfect song for the outro. Share, like, subscribe, and feel alright. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Sar, stop
Alright.
being so cocky in the back, man.
What do you want me to do?
Promote, you, promote,
What do I say?
like, share, subscribe, tell your mother.